Take part in the fun and theater at Paella Party organized by us. Our paella is just a work of art. Served in an enormous, bona fide, sizzling Spanish pan, our delicious paella is bejeweled with full, delicious king prawns, squid, mussels, luxuriously rich chorizo, and local, free-range chicken, all overflowing with flavor from our own special secret recipe. We also make a dazzlingly scrumptious Veggie Lover choice presented with deliciously cooked Mediterranean vegetables and ample chickpeas. It's all served with home-prepared, steaming bread and a choice of servings of mixed greens to pep up the palate. Whether it's a gathering of 30 visitors or a top-notch corporate occasion, we can easily turn it into a Mediterranean occasion very much like in Spain. Using the freshest of food ingredients, traditional Spanish culinary procedures and an assortment of new bits of knowledge, we bring Paella Party to you in a manner not seen a lot of in this region of the world. We show up, with the essential gear, cook it, engage, clear it away and we even wash up. It's that easy. All our staff is completely prepared to the best expectations. Our only goal is to give you and your visitors an astounding Spanish food experience to such an extent that you can relax and enjoy in your Paella Party. Vamos Paella serves to the center of a celebration with live cooking experience through which we fulfill our passion of bringing people together over good food. Apart from this, our friendly and knowledgeable staffs truly cater to you while our imaginative event planners are happy to listen to what you have in mind. Neither tortilla nor tacos, paella is the dish that is deeply rooted into Spain's gastronomy. It makes a great buffet dish for crowds and the spectacular presentation in the large paella pan is a great attraction for hungry diners. Our party package incorporates a mix of our paella menu along with a delicious selection of hot and cold buffets menus, salads, tacos, salsas, bread, showcasing all the flavors from across the Mediterranean and a host of decadent desserts. Our authentic dish on the menu is Paella Valenciana and arroz negro, black squid ink rice. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the fun and theater at Paella Party organized by us. For more details contact us or visit our website. Contact details. Address, 4 Gordon Road Brighton, East Sussex South East England BN16PD. Website, www.vomospaella.co.uk. Email, vomospaella@gmail.com. Contact number, 781-558-2231.